Dare to compare. Want to stretch your purchasing power? Well, take a look at this fantastic 2007 Jeep Liberty. This Liberty will save you cash at the pumps with its fuel-efficient 3.7L power plant. Here at Ralph Shop Automotive we do things a bit differently. WOULDN? It'd be nice to have a salesperson be more concerned about your needs instead of theirs. Come experience our salaried sales staff and be heard. We offer a 48-hour peace of mind return policy. All vehicles undergo an excellent reconditioning program that gets it right the first time. Most importantly, we shop our competition every day and offer our best price up front posted on the vehicle. We don't taggle or add any surprise fees to the price like dealer handling or dealer prep. Here at Ralph Shop, what you see is what you get. It's it easy. Ralph Shop Automotive. One price, one promise, one customer at a time. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.